Hi, in front of me is REALME Q2 and today I would like to show you how you can use Sound Recorder on this device. Firstly, find Recorder and open it. Now tap at the red button to start a recording. You can end it the same way. Tap on the right button to name it and click Save. As you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. If you wanna delete it, click on it, hold, and choose Delete. Then delete all recordings. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!